Hello everyone, I am Abhishek Sutar and this is my s- part B of the second assignment for the augmented reality. And I've used to represent the Indian classical instruments, in which I'll be showing you many different Indian classical instruments, and I have made the 3D models of it and even added some information about it with respect to the instrument. And there is completely basic and basic idea of how the instrument works and are the uh, what all are the uh, things that it is used to. So, like I've used many instruments like tank, drum, tabla, tal, harmonium, and many more. Like I've used total of 9 of the 3D models in it, and I've used Sketchfab for it to make the assignment like to the 3D models to work. So this. So these are all the instruments I've used, and I've used the C sharp script uh, to stop like one 3D model and play the other and give the information of it uh, according to the sequence. Thank you.